Hi, Misty. Got a nice jacket on, huh, girl? And there's Roxy. Scooter Pie. There's Jetta. Sugar Plum. Hi, Shug. Hi, Shug. There's our cute little babes, aren't you? Yes, you're so cute. Yes, you are. Little pesky. Huh, little pesky. And there's Odie. And Scout. And Blitz. Big Blitz. Big Blitzy boy. And there's Justa. Sophie. Going that way. There's Xena. Carly. Hi, Carly. Hi. My girl. There's Harley. Good girl. You're a good girl, Harley. And Aspen. And there's Carly over there with Roxy. There's Kingsley. And Lily Girl. And there's a Woody Pie. Hi, Woody. Hi, Woody. Cute guy. Yes, you are a cute guy. Huh. And Scout. There's our Finny. Finn. Always having fun, huh, buddy? You're the life of the party. Finn. And there's Maggie. Taking a little rest. Hi, Mag. There's Carly. Woody wants to play with Carly. There's Ruger. Hi, Rube. Hi, Big Bub. Here, sit. Sit. Boy, come here. I want to talk to you. Sit. Are you just not going to listen? Sit. Good boy. There you go. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, be nice. You vocal doggy. Aspen. We love our big Aspen boy. Roog, leave it. Hey, leave it. Leave it, boy. Let's go down here. There's Susie Q. Susie girl. Hi, Susie. Hi, Susie. And Zeta. Our Zeta girl. You're so sweet. And Barley. Hi, Barley. Yeah, Barley's a good boy, huh, buddy? Yeah, you're a good boy. Yes, you are. Husky. There's our Teak. And Harley. Kingsley. Kingsley boy. We gotta say hi to Tika. Let's say hi to our Teaks. Huh. Tika's a good girl. You just got here, huh, baby? There's Xena. Hazine. And Barley. Woody. You're being a happy guy. It's Finn and Sophie. Justa. Hi, Scooter. Hi, Scout. Carly. And Jetta girl. And Sadie. Sadie's a good girl, too. There's our Cooper. Are you taking a little rest? He's such a good boy. That is one good boy, huh, Cooper? Xena. And Sadie. And Max is taking a little rest. Oh, Maxie boy. And here's our big Pixie girl. Hi, Pixie. Sorry to wake you, girl. Sorry to wake you. Oh, Stretch. Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good Pixie. And Finn and Sophie. And Aspen. Where's Daisy? Oh, Daisy's up there playing. We gotta go say hi to Daisy.
Ruger. Come on, Ruger.
Hi, Lil. Hi, Rugs. There's Daisy and Gemini and Scout. Hi, Scout. Hi, Daisy girl. Hi, Daisy. I saw you playing. I saw you playing, girl. And there's Gemini. All right. Odie. Carly. Our little Misty girl. Taking a rest over there. All right. Hopefully we got everybody. Huh, Harley? Huh, Harley? And Lily girl. Here, now they're gonna play again. All right, we'll see you next time, guys.